Hey guys, Matt Allen from the Allen Asylum. Hope you guys are all ready to go for Halloween Wednesday. If you're in the Florida area, you know what a trying weekend it was with all this wind. I pretty much had to rebuild part of my haunt. We couldn't open on Friday because it was so windy. It was actually knocking down pretty much the facade I had built for the inside haunt. Let me show you kind of the pathway to the facade. Okay, I think I showed this one other video. This was the newest addition this year. This is the facade to my garage haunt. On Friday I took off from work and pretty much spent the day trying to keep this from falling. The wind was so bad, we had 30 to 40 mile gusts from this hurricane. Pretty much knocked this to the ground by Saturday morning. Had to go to Lowe's at 7 a.m. rebuild pretty much this whole thing. Had to build some new panels, and three of us had to kind of keep it steady while we tried reinforcement. I don't know if you can see this cable, but we pretty much had this cable running across so that it would support this from swaying and tipping over again. So actually Friday we had to cancel the haunt because of the wind. Pretty much blew this down, and actually blew down my windmill, knocked that to pieces. I had neighbors coming over with tombstones that had blown away. It was just a mess. So I kind of gave up on Friday. There wasn't a lot of people around because it was so windy and miserable. But Saturday had a great open. We had, according to the counter, we had about 85 people. Probably between 85 and 100 is what actually were there. A great turnout for a Saturday night. Mostly kids, mostly people not from my neighborhood. My neighborhood's gated, so people actually had to get passes to come. So that was a real surprise that they showed up. But anyway, I want to show you kind of everything and do a little bit of a walkthrough. I don't know if you can see, this one's my newest one. It's kind of an escapee from the Asylum with a flashlight. It looks pretty cool, pretty simple to make. This guy's just falling apart on me. The wind is playing havoc on him. This is a new sign I put together this year.